Let us solve another tricky word problem on the applications of HCF. A sports academy has 48 football players, 54 cricket players, and 60 volleyball players. They are to be divided into the largest possible equal teams such that each team has the same number of players from each sport. Find the number of teams. Hint: if the question asks about making the largest possible groups without any leftover or with minimum leftovers, then we need to find the HCF. Let us find the HCF of 48, 54 and 60 using common division method. Please make use of divisibility rules while finding the HCF using common division method. Start dividing 48, 54 and 60 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all the integers exactly, we get 24, 27 and 30. Again, start dividing 24, 27 and 30 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide all the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides all the integers exactly, we get 8, 9 and 10. Stop here since no other prime number can divide 8, 9 and 10 simultaneously. Finally, multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 48, 54 and 60 is 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. So, the largest possible equal teams is 6. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions on HCF, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.